I'd like to introduce you to the Ambleside Premier, brand spanking new here on Park. This is a top of the range holiday home. You can see it's very light and airy. It's got that whole wall of glass which really does allow the light to flood in. Got very comfy seating, plenty of seating. One of the sofas is actually a bed sofa, so that's always very handy. A very large kitchen diner with everything you'd expect from a luxury kitchen. You've got your gas hob, microwave and oven, you've got a dishwasher, and you've even got a washing machine. Here on the left we have the family shower room, skylight making that a really light airy space. Down at the bottom we have a twin bedroom which has plenty of storage. Now comes the master bedroom. Again, huge space, really lovely furnishings. And on through to the ensuite shower room at the end there. And in the hallway there's space for your boots and coats, wet dogs, wet children, because I'm sure you'll want to explore the beautiful Herefordshire countryside around us here at Pearl Lake. We're a 5-star park, golf, fishing, got a bar, restaurant. So please do call in and see us anytime. We're here 7 days a week. You can just pick up the phone or just call in. We're always really, really happy to see you, and we look forward to meeting you very, very soon. Thank you.